So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my today's presentation regarding one of my PHP-based application that I have developed, and that application has been developed using the PHP Laravel framework, and the other technologies were HTML, CSS, and the framework we used like Bootstrap and JavaScript. In the JavaScript, we used like Node.js to develop the application. So let's start our presentation. So first of all, we are going to see our NetBeam IDE. So the project we are going to show here, this is the hotel management system. So I am sharing this screen to show that the project is running from the local host. It is not a online project since it is one of the client representation project presentation. So let's move on. So you saw our NetBeam service setup. Then here we have our local host, like this is the hotel database that we are going to use for today's presentation. All the related information will be coming into this database, that is our PHP MyAdmin database. So now let's move on to our application. So this is our application. So you are saying like the application is running in our local host. For example, like if I type in PHP MyAdmin or like localhost like dashboard. So like you saw, the information is going back to our local server. So let's start. So if we just, so this is the admin URL. First, look at our website, the front end. So here we come in, the website is representing a beach resort called Sunrise. This is the home page. We can click here and navigate to the next options, like next segment. So we have here different category of rooms available for booking. We have a different information to show that the facilities in those rooms, and we are showing the team members here. This is the manager, this is a receptionist, this is another manager, and this is another receptionist. So this is a demo content actually. So let's move on. So if we just click here, so it will be a self-navigating web page. That is, this is a one-page website. But what important in here is the backend, like the ERP related to the booking and checking out and billing and everything for a customer. So let's move on. So we're typing admin. So if we type admin, we can see like the backend for login. So we are entering the admin username and password. So as we can see, the login has been successful. So we are seeing a request for booking that I just ran yesterday to check the functionality. 1 second before the presentation. So from here we can like, let's come to this section later. So first of all, this is the initial home page. So any online booking request comes here, and if we just like go to settings, we can see the available room types like single, double, triple, quad, there and different facilities along with their um, inherent values. So like if we just click on add rooms, we can create our additional room for from here, just single. Then if we click on add, then there will be another room added into the platform. So let's not do this. Let's go back to our main dashboard for admin. This is the status. So in this area, if anyone follows you, like we have one follower, this is the follower user that we created from the subscription portion. We will show that as well. And if we just come to booking, so how the booking works, let's go to the home page to show the activity, like localhost hotel. Okay, so for a booking, like we can see here is the values and rooms. So we have book now, so let's book a luxury room. So book now. From here we will fill up information. Rakibul Islam. Okay. Rakibul Islam, last name. Rakibul Islam, okay. test@test.com. The client was from Sri Lanka, so and that is why it's looks like this. So like passport from non-Sri Lanka, let's click. So let's click from Bangladesh. Okay, phone number. Let's put a random phone number here. So room type, as we show, like luxury, it will be deluxe. Single room, then one, room number one. Let's make plan. So we are going to full board. So we are check-in time, so it will be 11, and check-out time, let's say 21. So these are the information. So we will type the valid verification code. It is a random generated code from the database. Just type it here, 0672437. Okay, and submit. So you can see your booking application has been sent. So we have sent a booking application from this area. Now if we just refresh, so we can see there are another booking request. So what we are going to do now, we will approve manually those bookings. So if we just click on room booking, we can see the information. If we go to the payment option, so this is a single payment. The payment has been generated for a user whom we approved the booking. So without approving the booking, the record is not going to come here. So let's approve them. So we can see like the available room here, how many rooms are available. If we allow him the number of rooms, then it will be deducted from here, like the availability of the room. Like if it is this category of this category, then if we approve him, it will be less than one. Now it will be deducted from here. So booking confirm. So one user have been moved. So another user, so let's move him as well. Okay, so both of the bookings has been confirmed. So if we now go to the payment, so now we can see the overall 3 clients we have found so far. So we can print their information from here. If we click on print, so we can see their invoice. Okay, a report, it can be downloaded as PDF as well. we go back, so we can see everyone's details from here. Okay, from the payment section. So if we just go to calculate profit, so let's click on profit, so we can see detail here as well, like the profit has been calculated based on the fare and everything. So total is the amount and the profit was the amount. Okay, so these are the information for the project. So this is a nice project. So let's move on to show the subscription option. Like if we click on the subscription side that I had mentioned previously, we have to use this portion. So if we just provide the information and send for contact and newsletter, then there will be the subscription application sent to the admin panel for further cooperation or collaboration. So thanks once again for your patience to have this presentation session. Have a nice day.